If you've ever sat and actually watched people drive, or if you have a new driver in your household or a spouse you're concerned about, then you need a dash cam. Hey, it's Tim, Pickup Truck Plus SUV Talk. In this video, let's check out this new dash cam I'm testing out and see if it's any good. Now, the one I'm going to check out is from the Starlet series. It is the S3 Ultra. It's a 4K smart Wi-Fi dash cam. It's the Pelsee. And what's cool about it is I have a 12-volt adapter I can plug in with a USB that can power this nice dash cam here. It's really sleek, modern. It's got an LCD screen in the back. I have that Starvis. It's the lens there. And then I can do that powered with that 12-volt, or I can do the OBD hookup there underneath the dash. Then I have this small rear view camera there as well. Lightweight and attaches. Installing these cameras is simple. I did them both about the same. This is the front camera, for example. I have the wiring plugged in there. I ran it along like this. Came around here, went through the trim panel, went through the weather stripping, came down here and plugged it into my OBD2 plug-in. One of the things I like about it is you have an app, right? So that's cool. And I can access the memory card in this app. I can see all of the stuff we have recorded in the past couple days since installing it, and I can click on like one of these and I can see immediately I have front camera and back camera, and when I click on, say, this one, I can see my route, I can see mile per hour, and I can even zoom in and make out the license plate. That's how clear this 4K camera is. I was also pretty impressed by the nighttime footage here. You can see the deer crossing in front of me. I actually had to slow down 3 times when filming this footage at various places, trying to get this footage for you guys to see on the screen, because the deer kept interrupting me. Darn deer. So as soon as I disconnect from the app, it starts recording again, and then I can select these ADAS systems, right? So Advanced Driver Assistance Systems. It has forward collision warning, front vehicle starts warning. So when a driver in front of me starts taking off, this will tell me, alert me, in case not paying attention, lane departure warning, and pedestrian collision warnings. So this is not only just a dash cam, it actually has ADAS systems. So if you have a vehicle that doesn't equip with that stuff, and you want it for additional safety in like a big city, guess what? This offers those features. So I don't know about you, but this S3 Ultra seems pretty darn good. Not only does it have lots of different features, I really like the image quality during the day and at night. So pick up yours. I'll put a link down below in the bio. And thanks for watching. I will see you down the road.